am Yasmine, educator and mama three, the owner of Excel at Math, which is a math learning center located in Kennesaw, Georgia. Let me ask you something. Have you ever heard your child say, I hate math, or I'm not good at it, or my personal favorite, when am I ever going to use this? And parents, let's be honest, some of you listening might secretly agree, and that's okay. You're safe here. But here's what I've learned after decades in education. Most kids who think they're bad at math actually are not. Here's some important information I've shared previously. National education data shows that only about 1 out of 4 high school seniors reaches math proficiency. That explains why so many students feel so far behind. But the real story is most math struggles don't start in high school. They usually start with small gaps years earlier, things like fractions, place value, or even basic number sense, and those little gaps growing over time. Math is like a staircase. You miss one step, and suddenly the climb feels much harder than it should. And honestly, kids don't wake up one day thinking, you know what, today I'm going to dislike math. Usually it starts with one moment, a confusing lesson, a test that perhaps didn't go too well, or raising their hand and not feeling as confident. After that, math becomes the villain. Meanwhile, math is over here like, wait, what did I do? Well, here's the good news. When students understand math, instead of just memorizing steps, everything changes. Confidence comes first, then the skills grow. At Excel at Math, I've seen students walk in saying, I'm terrible at math. And a few weeks later, they're saying, wait, this actually makes sense. That shift isn't magic. It's simply teaching math in a way that connects to how students actually learn. So if you're a parent listening today, I want you to remember this. Your child is probably not bad at math. They may just need the right explanation, the right pace, and the right encouragement. And honestly, they can do it. Thank you for spending these few moments with me on Math Moments with Yasmine. In future episodes, we'll talk about homework battles, math anxiety, and simple ways parents can support their kids without stress. And if you're located in the Kennesaw area, I would love to connect with you at Excel at Math. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, math isn't scary. It just